Hey everybody, figured I'd give you a little bit of a forge tour and figured I'll start with forge fuel. So in this video we're going to talk about charcoal. It's what I use. I teach with wood, but you're using the wood to make charcoal as you go. And this I'm kind of cooking it beforehand. Primarily I get it from fallen trees, right? That I get gifted, or recently I've the last year or so I have a buddy that has a wood shop, and they're giving me all their cutoffs and things that are scrap that they don't have any use for. And then what I do is I load it up in a 55-gallon drum. I'm gonna turn it around here so you can see it. 55-gallon drum, and build a fire up underneath it, and I cook it. Usually takes me 2 days of cooking to get a nice batch of charcoal, and I'll end up with about I go by gallons, not weights, because it fills up a bucket, right? It's usually got a bucket, and it'll fill up. I usually get about 30 gallons out of it, right? And I'll show you what it looks like so you'll kind of get an idea. And so this is kind of what the charcoal, once we get done. This, see, this is charcoal. That Kingsford stuff, that ain't charcoal. This is charcoal. So I use this to make my forge fuel. And it's what I use, and we'll do another video of that actual forge and that kind of the smithy in another video. But just wanted to kind of give you an idea about what I make. I touch everything that comes through here, right? Even with the wood that I get from him, I still sort it because it doesn't all go in. I try to stay with hardwoods. And I go get it and I collect it and I trim it so it gets in. And the wood, you know, that I cook it with, I source it, I split it, stack it, use it to cook. So I'm intimately involved in every process of everything that goes on here at her smithy. And I think it's important, you know, because, you know, the end result pays for it. Okay. Figured you guys like to see that, and we'll talk more on another video. See you later. Thanks.